watched a clip or seen a scene from a movie and thought, "What movie is this?" Don't worry, you're not alone. Finding the name of a movie based on just a clip is easier than ever, thanks to Google Lens. This amazing tool, available on the Google Search app or Google Photos app, can identify movies simply by analyzing a screenshot. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to pinpoint the title of any movie in no time. The process starts with taking a clear screenshot of the movie clip you're trying to identify. Make sure the screenshot captures a distinct and recognizable scene, such as a key character, unique setting, or an iconic object from the movie. The clearer and more specific the image, the higher the chances of getting accurate results. Once you've got the screenshot, it's time to let Google Lens work its magic. Open Google Lens on your device. This can be done through the Google Search app or within the Google Photos app. Upload your screenshot, and Lens will analyze the image, searching for visual cues, text, or patterns that can lead to the movie's identity. In seconds, it'll provide you with information about your screenshot, which often includes the movie title or related details. It's like having a personal movie detective in your pocket. So next time you're stumped by a mysterious movie clip, don't stress. Just grab a screenshot and let Google Lens do the work. If you've tried this technique or have other tips to find movie titles, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-savvy tips like this one.